Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious garden egg sauce. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. And here are my ingredients for this delicious sauce. So here is my garden egg. I've already washed this garden egg. So you can use the white garden egg, okay? And then I have my crayfish here. This is the only crayfish I have at home, guys. You need a lot of crayfish for this recipe, but I didn't know I don't have much crayfish. So here is my bawa and pepper. I have much of bawa here and then fresh pepper. Here I have onions and garlic. You can skip the garlic if you don't want it, okay? But I like garlic in my sauce. And here I have my smoked fish. You can use any protein of your choice. I'm using smoked fish. So we are going to start now to cook our garden egg, and in a pot I already have my water, so I'm just going to add in my garden egg. I'm going to cover the pot now and then cook this garden egg until it is soft. And guys, our garden egg is cooked now. I'm going to take it out and then I will mash the garden egg, okay? You can use your blender or your food processor, but make sure it is not puree. Just coarsely blend it, okay? Or you can just use your mortar and your pestle to just mash it, or your fork to mash it, okay? Let it not be puree, okay? So I'm going to be heating up my oil now. So for this recipe you need palm oil, okay? So I'm just going to heat up my palm oil. Once the oil is hot, I will go in now with my chopped onions and garlic, okay? I'm just going to stir and allow this to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I will add in my pepper mix. Then I will go in with my seasoning cube. Stir and cover the pot. Allow this to fry, okay? Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. please help me to subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already, okay? And if you have not liked this video, please help me to like the video, and don't forget to share this video, okay? Help me to share this video, and also leave your comment for me in the comment section. So guys, our pepper mix is fried now, okay? You're not going to fry this pepper mix like frying it very well. You're just going to fry it for few minutes, okay? Because you still want the pepper looking vibrant, okay? So now I'm just going to add in my crayfish, and then I will add in my smoked fish. I'll be going in with my garden egg. You look, see the way the garden egg is looking, that is how you want to mash it, okay? And then I'm going to be adding in some salt because I tested and I needed to adjust it, okay? So you are going to adjust it if there is need for you to do so. Mix this very well so that the sauce and the everything can combine each other very well, okay? Then cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes, because you don't want to overcook your vegetable. Remember, this is also vegetable sauce. The garden egg is vegetable, so you don't want to overcook it, okay? So guys, here is what our sauce is looking like. Let me know what you'll be enjoying this with. This sauce can also go well with white rice. Yes, you can enjoy this sauce with white rice. It's also very delicious with white rice. Hope you are enjoying this video. Have you liked this video, guys? Have you subscribed? Please subscribe, like, and share, okay? Don't forget to share. And guys, this is what my sauce is looking like. So yummy, so delicious. I'm enjoying this with my boiled yam, okay? Like I said, you can also enjoy this with white rice. This is so healthy, so delicious. You don't even need much ingredients to prepare this sauce, okay? Guys, please don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, leave your comment for me, and do all that beautiful stuff to this channel, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.